Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect and use Zendrop with TikTok Shop. So first step you simply need to do is to create your account on the Zendrop. So let's suppose you already created an account. So then you simply need to log in into your Zendrop. So click on login and then you are in your Zendrop account. So once you are in your Zendrop account, wait for a few seconds here and I am in my Zendrop account in few seconds. So this is my Zendrop dashboard, and now I want to connect Zendrop with Shopify, and then I connect that with my TikTok shop. So you simply need to log in into the Shopify as well. So you can start free trial in the start, and it is free and so enter your email and start your free trial. So I am going to add my email address here, click on start free trial. So go on to the login. So I'm going to select Google, select my account, and so click on remind me next time and select my email address again. And now my store is building. Here you can see that. So you need to wait for few seconds here until it is completed. So now you can see that it is completed. Once it is completed, you simply need to click on add apps here, and here you can see Zendrop. Click on that, and basically you simply need to install Zendrop app here, and it will connect it with your Shopify store, and you need to complete that step here and connect that with your Shopify store, and click on install, and it will be connected with your store onto the Shopify. And so I will do that step later. Okay, so once you complete that step, here you can see that create a password before logging out. So you need to create password and confirm password. So let me create and confirm password here. Let me save this, and here you need to log in into your Zendrop, add your email address. Okay, and once you connected by clicking on install, it will take few seconds, and after that Zendrop will be connected with your Shopify. Here you can see that once it is connected, go back, and here you need to click on Shopify App Store, and you need to search for the TikTok shop. So search your TikTok shop. Here it is. So it is not compatible with my store, but you can see that you need to customize your store, and then it is compatible, and then you simply need to add connect that with your Shopify, and after that your TikTok is connected with Shopify and Zendrop, and you can use both of these here and you can sell your products easily from Zendrop onto your TikTok shop. So this is the process how you can connect and use Zendrop with TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.